Hey everyone and welcome back. So today we will be discussing about how to fix payment method in Odoo website. So if you're looking to do that, this video is specifically for you. Now basically payment needs to be settled using the online payment section. Once you head over to that, you need to be allowing your payment provider. You can see you can add the payment provider in there. So once you install a payment provider, of course you need to be entering their name first, and in the point of sale you need to configure the payment method as well. So once you do that, you will be able to easily access the payment method inside the website, and it will be added in there as well. Or you can if you want to set an integration for QR code, then for cash payment you can also set up a terminal, allow card payments and bank app and QR codes as well. So this is how easy it is, and sorry about that. Now once you do add in there, it will be listed in your payment method. So I hope this helps. See you in the next video, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.